Hi viewer, the summer season is coming and the temperature is rising, so that's why today we are going to change from winter tire to the summer tires. I will show you what you need and how to do it. To begin with, the tools that you need. First is a car jack. Make sure that the maximum lifting weight of the car jack is higher than the maximum weight of your car. And then what we need is a jack stand. Don't rely on the car jack alone. Make sure that you have a car jack. That's for the safety. And then what you need is a lug wrench and also a torque wrench to make sure to tighten the bolts according to the spec from the manufacturer. And then you need a wire brush to clean the hub surface and make sure that the torque is correctly applied. And then what you need is a wheel choke to prevent the car from rolling. We also need an air pump with the tire pressure measurement. And last, gloves and cleaning pad is nice to have. To start the tire change, make sure your car is parked on a flat ground and the park brake is engaged. And then place the wheel choke in the opposite end of the wheel that you are lifting. And then loosen the bolts. Loosen the bolts about half a turn when the wheel is still on the ground. And then lift the car. Lift the car at a defined jack point by the manufacturer. And lift the car until the wheel is slightly off the ground. And then put the jack stand below the car. Don't rely on the jack alone. And then remove the bolt and pull the wheel straight off. Be careful with the last bolt. Make sure that you press the wheel and pull that straight off. And then use a wire brush to clean the hub and the contact area. And then we can install the summer wheel. Put the summer wheel on the hub and hand straighten the bolts. After put the wheel on the hub, straighten the bolt in a star pattern, lightly but not too fast. After tightening the bolt, lower the car until the wheel is just contacting the ground, and then tighten the bolt with a torque wrench. In this case, we have a specified torque by the manufacturer of 130 Newton meter. And before you lower the car, don't forget to take the jack stand out. Tighten the bolt with a torque wrench. Tighten the bolt until you hear a click. And then we are done with this wheel. Repeat the steps for the other 3 wheels. And the winter tire you put down, don't forget to mark them in which position they are to make sure that next time you install the winter tires that they are in the same position. The other wheels will be the same. After changing all the tires, we are done with wheel change, and check the pressure of the wheel and reset the pressure monitoring in your car. And that's all from the wheel change. If you like such video, don't forget to like and subscribe.